guys, it's Stephanie here. Sorry it's been so long since we checked in. We had quite a few things happen the last couple months, but I'm gonna get you guys up to date. So last time we checked in, we had just removed the carpet. So from there, we had a lot of residue left over. As you can see, pieces of the carpet were still there. We had some large boards and metal pieces that were still attached to the floor. So what we had to do was grind down a lot of that to get it off. We used a grinder, obviously, and we also used a wire brush just to get all of that carpet out. So another thing we had was some rust on the floor. In a van this old, actually we did amazing for only having a little bit, but we wanted to prepare for the future as best we could, so we ground down all of the rust that was in the bottom of the van. Now there were a few places that was too thick, so we actually had to cut it out. You can see there. We had to cut that out, and then we had to get it ready to patch. After we went ahead and ground out those pieces and cut out some pieces we needed to, we had to make sure that it wouldn't rust again. So we took spray paint, as obviously a Rust-Oleum one, to keep that rust away, and we had to go over the entire base. And here you can see we finished it. It did take us a while, especially where we live. So much humidity. So now you guys are pretty up to date. We just went ahead and bought our insulation and are looking forward to putting it in. See you next time.